Anyway, a film to relax it. Now we try to do them. People could be clear. Now enjoy this particular video because this is a serious fight in the camp of the NDC. Kevin Ekobedi Taylor will be clashing with Hopeson Adorye and Captain Smart for attacking Sam George and the State Attorney General over Abu Trika. Remember, Chimuno Chirewadre Amame. Our comment section. I have Penyah Brock Media. May as say any demo. Over like his video, not that my boy subscribe button, snap click notification, connect latest update. Now, better Chirewadre and Amame. Our comment section. So, Baswa. No, I for any biasha. You know, it was last week Thursday. I never checked Abu Trika at the Koye. I mean, how issue is Ababaye. Now, never check Abu Trika at the Koye, no. Anna Sam George, our information and communication minister, Obe give you out a speech. As now all Tiremu, a quiet on fast watching a butrika. I was asking a word of caution, Grandma. Ghana for said, oh, Momo, of course, engaged in romance camp, any fraud, anything fraud, no. There are other 3 people, they are on the list. I say very soon, no, Yaba Abachiwum, any other day. That issue, no, Emma hopes, no, Nadoye. I be class with Sam George.
Ka say just say fa kwan bi so njeje nkrofosika ne fa nwane anase bibisa. No. But what I'm saying is say once sika na ba hazim, sika no ba be boa economy.
Yeah. The baby girl Yeah, sure.
Almost say small boy 8 million. Adamewa.
Yeah, it's
yi chairman no mo can millions to be others millions to be. Are we sick? Are we mad? Yama omaba abi achi omu ya di omu gu plane mu akwa America kenoforiata chi America omo di omo say omo de kenoforiata beba de yes atebuda.
Yeah,
are we not sick? Are we not sick as a country? How do we allow this? How do we allow this? Yes, ya chabu trigger. Okay, our promise say, mo de ken ba, ya be ma mo de nako. Enya no ano no. Se ehia pa se omo de no kwa, omo de ken be ba. Let us be. Ya apu ya game ni kakra. Na ye de, e kire se, ade na America say emrofo no hu ye se ya Jimmy without saying sebe. Omo say ya Jimmy dada. Omo ni ba say ya Jimmy. Because Ghana need when you hear say what the America. What move background? Oh, ye babe ma 800 million. Who can some for na ya mudo mako ina musika bi adan na be 500 million. What is all mako no ma be discanako. Na omo sa ma say ina dia de na eyo. And these are people who are taking care of street boys. They are taking care of street boys. Okay. Me can straight. Who are be na ka se obo fu me I don't care. I don't care. Let us sit up. The man rofu no hu se ye njimi ye.
Emma Hopeson Adorye ever clash with Sam George and the state security for the arrest of Abu Trika. Na Enra and State Attorney General Dr. Dominic Akurutinga Ayinde Obeka Saye concerning the arrest of Abu Trika and the extradition of Kenoforiata. Obeka Saye ebe train semu say oh na mo ka say na wo senka ye de Abu Trika ekọ no na ka Kenoforiata eba no enya fala asai bi say Kenoforiata no wa tabrisika akwa han USA top lawyers just lawyers are more experience ama now no omone no twe ho manso e wo USA Montana so enya falasa so betime de Kenoforiata free USA back but on or na family e man so na kan no Captain Smart ever clash with the State Attorney General
Ghana ni mibu sabi ni eti ye de kwadu aba branche no enu ti ye be fa ni fi Ghana ye de ne koy se kwadu ni ye no kure se kwadu no nye no kure ya bo no kwadu nti se ye be fa ne ko pa to Kenoforiata ya bo no kwadu ana se ye mo no Office of the Special Prosecutor abo no kwadu so no ni panson ese so yi nsem bia no afri say won abo man krono but Attorney General say Kenoforiata yentimi mfa ne ma to aso
this the Justice Department actually sent me what they call the bill of indictment.
Okay, or say Justice Department of the United States SNN bill of indictment. The chair say, yeah, the baby at to a branch and a swat, a bafia swat, chest, sir, as I say, I didn't baffy. Jeff and the American Indian Nassen. In Patrodia, Office of the Special Prosecutor, Ediato, a year, Canoforata sono. A indicted Canoforata, and I say, a indicted no. And I know I got a muso, but then in a benum. Wow. Wow. John Dramani Mahama, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. Me instruct no crack cow. It's one of them, you're careful. John, this is dangerous. Pacho, producer Twazo.
All right, that's the charge. Those are the charges. They sent me the charges, the supporting facts, and everything. And ladies and gentlemen, they spent 6 years investigating the syndicate of criminals that included, Kojo Boateng.
Me da say pause, producer pause. Yeah, it's a attorney general catches investigators. I'm going to Jimmy. Oh. Attorney General say, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Where Jimmy? I'm not the one saying it. You see, Attorney General say, ladies and gentlemen, of person would say once say, America for the influence and a year shemu. Yen cry at the Nabrum Fiencia, can operate or the influence watch it. And this answer who know and I'm one. Some of the documents are. Office of the Special Prosecutor, they call court, it dated back to 2019, 2020, 2018. For 2019, 2018, Fabra Abesi 2024, and if I see 2025, me patron says me anya me photo, mo be tape am njanchen. I am doing my show. It's your responsibility as a camera person. Don't disturb me. Me me yaba duma. I'm me fa ho. Obi an from Pentecost platform. Entity. If 2018, be fi kan 18. From Sabra 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Enti ayemfie Sa America de influence a share Kojo Boateng asemua. Ye de influence. What is the attorney general talking about? Play bargaining ampa. Yendi anu ampa. Yebedi anu. Wow. Wow. Pacho, Twasu producer.
6 years. All right. So the point that we have made, that my deputy made, is that without a docket, we cannot make the request.
Okay.
So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can say for now.
Producer. What's the crowd? I can't from the master member. Maulepe. Or say, Attorney General say, docket be a new Ghana Baya John Mahama Dano. On to be droshy. May am fa. Can of Rata ma. Mafia. Because I number Jamie.
Oh, I'll be class with him, partner, and your class get one. Now I know, and I have Penyah Kevin a cover the tailor was here. I'll be class with Captain Smart, any Hopeson Adorye.
My own senior brother, Captain Smart. Now, Oti TV so can't be, and I was so disappointed. Say, the government of the day should be careful. And that if they don't stop going after fraudsters, they should start thinking about 2028 elections. So I buy way better fraudsters in gum. No, we lose elections. I will support it. Because somebody has committed a crime. I was saying because of politics in tea. Today, when people commit crimes, we cannot go after them. And you, these same people, sit on TV and tell us you are fighting for the generation. Which generation are you fighting for? Are you fighting for a generation that in the next 10 years, you have half of the population, the youth, who are criminals? Is that the kind of population you want to fight for? I don't care about the next elections. I care about the next Ghanaian who will survive after the next elections. And so if somebody thinks to say, or to Ghana krowemu, or betumatna Ghana abokrono, or because Enisa Abaneden and Sakano, because election 2028, but the fact of the case is, Abana Yato, you know, these are some of the reasons in Tia Yatuaba to sanitize the system. Into what ye also a down for the Captain Smart. You like what he's saying. Obey sa bonena, yachiwa wonkwane bechew. Say yachiwa. You'll be surprised to say, o girlfriend na only say jumana, yachiwu ko shame no, obeto ma party net tesono. If you say, girl now ne koba na kume mwanka we free ho, ame japade na beka nsa. So, mon koran na mwaka no. So be person beka nyansa achire mo no. Today we want to glorify crime. Where on earth should we use crime as a bargaining chip? Why? Where on earth? Why should we even sit on TV? Why should we sit on radio to justify crime? So be a debonia with debonny. That is why people have the right to go to court and prove themselves. Say, "Oh my bonny and I saw my bonny. I'm be defend you." And this is the last time when I spoke on this fraudsters issue. I said every single person who has been picked up now on my table is a suspect. So I won't come and sit here and say, because of election 2028, the youth now who are involved in things that are destroying lives, you know, and they say, Oma, Omoton in Nuboneno, why don't we leave them to sell in Nuboneno or Ghana? Oma Moton red, Oma Moton cocaine, Oma Robin Dipano, because they are also breadwinners. And I'm a boy. Armed robbers, they are also breadwinners, like those people sitting behind computers and destroying people's investment. Red, cocaine na, yes, they are the same as those boys sitting behind computers and destroying lives. So why are you justified? Why are people using elections as a bargaining chip for people to create opportunity for people to commit crimes? We need to make sure it does not matter where the person is. Crime is crime. Crime is crime. So how on earth, how crazy can we be to sit and say, Yachichi Ghana for youth? If you don't want to be arrested and taken to the United States to be trialed, do not commit a crime in Ghana against an American. Can't you understand that? Why don't you sit in Ghana and commit a crime in Ghana so that when you are arrested, you are kept in Ghana? You feel powerful and you think that you can break boundaries and go commit a crime against an American. And Americans are telling you they have the power to come and pick you. So if you don't want to be picked, then why don't you commit a crime? I don't know who we are, because all Ghana prisoner, Ghana we are Ghana. But there is no justification for crime. We should not even entertain that kind of conversation on radio and on TV that are buying out on June 2028. Into a binding June 2028. Now a binding giant will be Anton cocaine. A binding giant will be Anton weed. A binding giant will be Anton red. Abino Bonino Dana crime. Today we are selective about crime. All because America for the bet you will be free Ghana. More problem in United say Obia di Bonne and America for bet you know, and then no problem no crime no nipa committee and so obo committee and how o problem say Argentina say America for the bet you know. Na crime no Bonne no odi no odi Ghana ni so and so odi America ni so. Motete Ghana. Bobusan for tete abrochire. Most sorry, na mo kikan sem wo Ghana na mabusu afoti abrochire I enjoy ade no montina Ghana embo abrofo kro no abrochire mumye njai sa enkwase akasa no emwaye. These things are not good, they are not healthy. Nta akora bi shekona bi na odi nkwase asam na oye nyoma ehia because yet TV so ena ye ka che nkwara ne say te we are youth ya bechi unia ka abrochire. Na nunya no nam ho no adwuma ben na oye adebone ben Argentina America for sorry no pamfa cargo plane embassy kotokanka so obi an kwhye because mo dibone Argentina mo nyesa. Why did the American government decide to say ombeba be fa nipa ba ko mienu miensa bi every Ghana? Why didn't they come and arrest you, Captain Smart? Because you have not committed a crime. Because u pay na wogina ene na wudi. Because onkobo obi apo ewo internet so Unkoji Ghana ni bisika and Unkoji Bro ni bisika. Into Saranopa, you are free, you are confident, you sit on radio and you speak on issues. But some is what your salary. You are not scared of the FBI. If today the FBI knocks at your door in Ghana, Captain Smart, you are not scared because on your fraud. You are not involved in any fraud. You have not been involved in any romance fraud. So you are confident. Why do you think an American will come to Ghana and pick a Ghanaian away? It is because the Ghanaian has committed a crime against an American. And countries have treaties. They have agreements. Mumienjai sa kasano. Mumienjai sa kasana. And why? When did we get to that point where we are hailing crime? Why should we be hailing crime? 90% of you people, because of politics, Sebio, with all due respect, I am not saying Sir Abu Trika is guilty because he is now going to face trial. The investigation is ongoing. But what I'm saying is, at Abu Trika's age, 90% of Monkofwa more support crime. Why didn't you make that at your age? Because if you had decided to maybe taking a route, you would have gotten it. But something told you that route, when you take it at the age of 27, you might not see the sun again. And literally most of you, more than 45, more than 50, the things that these boys were winning because you were cautious. You were asking yourself questions. You were not being selfish. You were thinking, what is the end game? So when somebody does not think about the end game, now say he's caught in a web. Why do you make it look like say and there it is all about Adeni Abechi, the youth of Ghana? Do you know the number of people in Ghana who are youth? Do you know the number of people in Ghana who are youth? Let us stop this. Let's stop doing these things on primetime radio. Say Abechi Kromfo in our Ghana, not 2028, NDC Beluzwa, yes, Omuluzi. The same chronona ye hailing deno. Omwan ebechi tuo abe ura ye radio station, ye TV station, ye TV so ye tie mu ye dede no. Na sa criminals na asa fa tuo e ura ye fie. Ye yire ne yambati fie no. Ye beti o radio say ye ku omo. Let us stop this before it gets out of hand. Let us stop crime. Crime is crime. Let us stop crime. These boys or whoever, they have been picked up. I've never sat on my platform to call Abu Trika a criminal. I've never called Kujubot or whatever a criminal. They are suspects. If they have done nothing wrong, they will walk out. They are suspects. Oforiata is here in Fanembra Ghani. Oforiata is a suspect. Oforiata is not guilty. So Oforiata Eura Ghana ha through Kotoka. Obiantumi Boni Tuo. The law will have to deal with him. Let us not behave as if we are living in some banana republic and that we can do whatever we want. No. These same people sitting on TV and radio defending this kind of thing. No. Omukwa bruchira, omudim raso te se mwa. Ade na mukodua bruchira. Na mukwa munye bibia by heart. Emra ye juma. Ba krom dia election ebanti. Mama yenti asiye. There are so many young people in Ghana. Boys and come to my but they were thinking twice. They're being cautious. They know, say, Omo mami bitiase, Omo papa bitiase. Nipebi are looking up to them. They don't want to get themselves. They don't want the fast lane. The fast lane is there. Nobody's stopping anybody for joining the fast lane. The fast lane is there. And nobody's stopping any young person from joining the fast lane. By the end of the day, where is it going to end you? That is the question. And some people took the fast lane and they are where they are today. Don't let it look like, say, people in Ghana, we are against crime. We are not against crime. Why are you picking people up? I'm asking you. I didn't in America for mature. You've not committed any crime. Mokasa too much. They be say anutiamo.
Chidawa Jeva ever conversation. Hype in a block media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!